Hello, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at one of the more popular ways of making money online, starting your own YouTube channel. We're going to talk about how to begin putting your passions and creativity out into the world using the YouTube platform. From choosing a niche to learning how to make videos, we will touch on everything you need to get your channel started. So, whether you are an aspiring director, a foodie, or a gamer, we're here to inspire you and give you the tools you need to make your YouTube dreams into reality. Let's get started. One of the most important boxes to check off is getting the right niche. Begin with your interests and passions. What topics get you excited? Targeting a particular group can give an engagement boost that can help you create a following. For example, niches like gaming or beauty or education often have a larger audience since these niches tend to be successful in bringing people back sooner. Choosing the right niche helps you to create content that resonates with a specific group and helps your channel stand out in the YouTube landscape. Once you have your niche, you'll need a name for your channel. When you choose your channel name, try to make it memorable and relevant to your brand. Begin by adding keywords based on your niche, as this increases the odds of being discovered in searches. Try for a short, catchy name with simple spelling, something easy for viewers to remember and share. It's also a good idea to check if the name you want is available on social media platforms before you finalize your name selection. This way, you can be on brand across the web. A well-crafted channel name lays the foundation of your content and draws your audience. Now that you have a niche and a name, let's take a look at how to actually set up your YouTube channel. To begin with, if you don't already have one, set up a Google account. After creating your Google account, use it to log into YouTube. In the upper right corner, you will find your logo. Click on this and look in the drop-down for Create a Channel. Click on the link. Then, follow the prompts to get your YouTube channel set up. Next, customize the layout to make it feel like you. Add a profile picture that reflects you as a person, your brand, or your style of content. Finally, create an enticing channel description that tells viewers what to expect. Use this as your opportunity to wow people and get them to subscribe. Now that you've got your new channel set up and ready, you're going to want to grow your presence on YouTube. Content planning is the way to go here. Create a content calendar so that you upload regularly to keep your audience engaged. Try to find trending topics in your niche to ensure that your content stays relevant and popular. Also, make sure to have a mix of content formats like tutorials, vlogs, or reviews, as this will help you reach a more varied audience. Mixing up your content helps keep your channel exciting and opens it up to a larger audience base, which can positively affect your overall reach. You can record your videos with easily available devices, such as smartphones or entry-level cameras. These commonly available devices can yield amazing results without tanking your budget. There are several simple, easy-to-use video editing programs, such as iMovie or CapCut, available for free online. Good lighting and audio levels are also very important to video quality, so be sure to make your recording space as ideal as possible. Armed with these tips, you'll soon be on your way to producing compelling content yourself. Little things can help make your videos more known on YouTube. One is to use the correct keywords in your titles and descriptions. This lets the algorithm know what your content is about and helps it rank higher in searches. Another is to make attractive thumbnails that draw in viewers and boost the click ratio. Don't forget to use tags wisely too. Tags help categorize your videos and get them viewed by a wider audience. Following these SEO tactics will improve your chances of getting noticed by a wider audience and ultimately increase the visibility of your channel. Since your YouTube channel helps you promote your videos, it makes sense to promote your channel as well. Try linking your channel to social media sites such as Instagram and Twitter. Another option is to collaborate with other YouTubers. This is a great way to show off your channel to more users and can lead to more views, likes, shares, and even subscribers. Interacting with your viewers using comments and community posts can engender a sense of loyalty and community. In this way, You can increase your channel's visibility and growth potential by actively promoting your content and engaging with your audience. Monitoring your video's YouTube analytics is the best option for understanding how your channel is performing. This tool can give you some valuable insight into audience behavior and the ability to track important metrics such as watch time, views, and subscriber growth. Continually checking this data will help you determine which content works and which does not. Setting your content creation strategies based on these data points can help you make videos that your viewers engage with and grow your channel over time. Today, we walked you through all the steps you need to take to get your first YouTube channel up and running. We touched on everything from selecting your niche and finding a catchy channel name to optimizing your videos for SEO and tracking their performance. You should now have all the base knowledge you need to get started with your own YouTube channel. But remember, building an audience takes time, so try to stay consistent and engage with your viewers. If you found this video useful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, and please comment on, like, and share this video. It's your support that allows us to continue producing interesting and inspiring content to help you in your journey to make money online. Thanks for watching.